Storyblocks Audio. Storyblocks Audio. Storyblocks Audio. Storyblocks Audio.
Students, now you can recall what you learned in your lower classes matrices. In 10th standard we learned something, and plus 1 we learned something. So once again we recall it. First, introduction of matrices. So we know that some of the numbers are arranged in rows and columns and put in brackets is known as a matrices. So here we are see some examples, and one more thing we learned that how to write the order of a matrix. We know that how to write an order of matrix, number of rows into number of columns. We read it as a number of rows by number of columns. Here you can see there these examples, number of rows by number of columns. It is known as the order of a matrix. Then in 11th standard we learn that how to find minor of element of a matrix. So here we take our 3 by 3 matrix, and first we have to go find the minor of 3, which is located in second row, second column. So then we get the remaining elements are 1 1 0 4. We have to find their determinant, and how to find its determinant, here we have to multiply 1 and 4. What you get 4, and multiply 0 and 1, its value is 0, and here put 0. We have to take minus between these two answers. 4 minus 0 is 4. Next we have to find minor of minus 3. It's located at second row, first column. So remaining elements are minus 1 1 1 4. So finding the determinant of these elements, minus 4, minus 1 into 4 minus 4, and minus of 1 into 1 is 1, minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5, and minor of 1, its location is third row, second column. Remaining elements are 1 1 minus 3 1. Taking the determinant of this one, 1 minus of minus 3, 1 plus 3 4, we got it. Now we are going to learn how to find cofactor of a matrix. So here also you take same matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. So cofactor of 3. Cofactor of 3 is depends on the same as a minor, but it's additionally get its plus or minus symbol. So it is 3 is located at second row, second column. Second row, second column, total is 4. So it is a even number, so it gets plus. Same way how to find a minor, we here also same way of finding the minor. Next, cofactor of minus 3, it is located at second row, first column. Second row, first column, total is 3. It is an odd number, so you get negative of its minor. Next, cofactor of 1, which is located at third row, second column. Its total is 5, so it is also odd number, so you get my negative of the minor. I hope you all understand the cofactor of matrix. Then determinant of a matrix. This is also you learn in lower class in 11th standard. So for 2 by 2 matrix, already we know that we can find determinants for only for the square matrices only. So taking 2 by 2 matrix, here we multiply 4 and 2 diagonally right down. So its value is 8, and then multiply another diagonal left side. We get minus 6 into 5, that is minus 30. We got it at 38. And how to find the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix? So we take first row for finding the matrix 1, and its cofactor matrix is 3 1 1 4, and taking next one minus 1, its cofactor is negative of its minor, so we get minus of minus 1, and its minor is minus 3 1 0 4, and taking another element, that is 1 in first row third element. This is a minus 3 3 0 1, it's minor. So finding the determinants of the minus values, we getting like this one their answers. And next, simplifying this one, we get the answer is minus 4. It is a determinant of a matrix. This is the way you to find the determinant of a matrix. Then we will going to learn about the new concept, rank of a matrix. So rank of matrix, some non-integer is associated with the matrix is known as the rank. Non-integer number means 0 1 2 3 non-negative integers, so 0 1 2 3 are associated with the rank. So we see the definition of them. The rank of a matrix A is the order of the largest non-zero minor of A and is denoted by rank row of A. So here rank is, how to find rank? The largest non-zero minor of A given matrix K. Okay. So here some note we can observe here. So from the definition we can understand rank of any matrix should be more than 0, and it is a non-negative 0. So rank of A is greater than or equal to 0. And from the definition of the rank of a matrix, if its order is m by n, then rank of A should be the minimum of the m. M is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. Which one is the lesser one? We get the rank, maybe a row of A is less than or equal to the minimum value of the m and n. And the rank of a 0 matrix is 0. Suppose if you take all elements are 0, its rank is 0. And rank of non-singular matrix of order n by n is n. If it is a if you take a square matrix with order n by n, it's when it is called a non-singular, if its determinant is not equal to 0, its order is n. So now you're going to learn how to find a rank of matrix, and its algorithm we are going to learn. Next class we can take more examples and see that. Here I give you one example for how to find a rank of a 3 by 3 matrix. So for example, I take one example, A B C D E F G H I M matrix. So first we have to observe if all elements are 0 or not. That means is it 0 matrix? If it is 0 matrix, we have to write a rank is 0. If it is not a 0 matrix, if not is a 0 matrix, we have to find the determinant of this matrix. If that determinant value is not equal to 0, its determinant value is not equal to 0, so rank you have to write as a 3. If determinant value is equal to 0, we have to find all 2 by 2 minors of the determinant. So here we get totally 9 2 by 2 minors. We have to find 9 2 by 2 minors values. Suppose if one of the minor value is not equal to 0, we have to write a rank is 2. Suppose all 2 by 2 minus values are 0, we have to put rank is 1. So that's all. I hope you all understand today's class. If you not understand anything, you can call me and get clarified. We can see the how to find the rank of a matrix for other orders also in tomorrow class. I hope all you understand, and I give you some one small test for multiple choice questions through the online. I hope you can write it today itself. Thank you.